Okay.
What are we doing?
This is Thomas's first time eating rice cereal.
How old is he?
He's almost 5 months. Okay, ready? How do you like that? How do you like that?
How's that going, Mama?
How do you like that, Thomas? Oh, how do you like that?
There he goes.
Yeah. Is that good? Yeah. Yum. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh. Oh, yeah.
He definitely knows what to do with a spoon.
Yeah.
He's no dummy.
Open up. Yeah, you like that? Or not so much?